Anti-Fixer's professional service smartphone.
Okay, let's go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan saya NYAWIJI-CELLULER 26. Seperti biasa di video kali ini kita akan mengunboxing kiriman paket dari Mas Putra Perdana yang beralamat ada di Sumatera atau Pekanbaru. Nah, untuk paket ini isinya dia itu adalah Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra dengan kerusakan yaitu mati total. Nah, ini kita unboxing paketnya dahulu. Dan ini adalah kondisi Mi 11 Ultranya dengan ini yang versi resmi. Soalnya kalau untuk yang versi tidak resmi dia adalah dashboardnya seperti ini. Ini lebih tipis. Dan ini kita buka dahulu. Ini adalah bentuknya untuk Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra punya putra Mas Perdana. Kita cek untuk konsumsi ampernya charger dahulu. Dan ini biasanya untuk seri handphone ini adalah kerusakannya ada di RAM dan di CPU. Jadi seperti biasa kita akan melakukan periperan IC RAM dan IC CPU. Dan untuk unitnya ini sudah pernah dibongkar, entah dicek atau di gimana, belum tahu. Kita buka pelan-pelan. Baik, yang bagian sini. Nah, ini mungkin unitnya adalah bekas klaim garansi karena dia mempunyai segel ini. Ini adalah segel resmi dari Xiaomi Center yang unitnya pernah klaim garansi. Dan ini unitnya kita buka dahulu. Dan untuk mesin Mi 11 Ultra seperti ini. Untuk mesinnya seperti ini. Dan ini kondisinya untuk mesinnya. Ini kita akan melakukan periperan IC RAM dan IC CPU. Kita lanjut ke monitor.
Yeah, let's go.
I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse. Man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words, and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything, and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we got.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We love to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. How careless we could be.
It's too late now, I remember you and me. And how careless we could be. To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella.
Dan alhamdulillah setelah kita lakukan periperan IC RAM dan IC CPU untuk kedua unit ini, Mi 11 Ultra, yang satu punya unit orang Sumatera Selatan, Pekanbaru. Nah, ini unitnya sudah alhamdulillah. Dan untuk passwordnya saya tidak tahu, nanti kita info ke yang punya. Dan ini juga sudah normal dua-duanya tuh. Dan bagi teman-teman yang mempunyai kasus yang sama atau mempunyai unit yang sama untuk Mi 11 Ultra dan handphone berchipset gaming lainnya, bisa langsung kirim ke alamat kami tuh, atau bisa langsung datang ke tempat markas kami. Dan alhamdulillah unitnya sudah selesai. Terima kasih sudah menonton video saya sampai selesai. Saya izin pamit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe.
Never had like taking a freshman and teaching her math. I'll keep her guessing until she a grad. She always leaves them guessing. They don't know what's next, man. Learned it from the best, man. She loving every lesson with hands-on sessions, points for attendance. She asks a lot of questions, I answer with my presence. I sit back while I'm texting. Said she wants to get in. Said she'll bring her best friend. Know what happened next, man. You know what happened next, man. Treat her like a guest, man. Rolling out the best, man. She had a confession, yeah. She wanna stay for a minute. She wanna play for a minute. She wanna slay for a minute. And now I'm all